Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ensuring your console and display can handle the color modes you want. Use an HDMI 2, 0 or 2, one cable and a compatible TV. From the guide, go to Profile and System, open Settings, then General, and choose TV and Display options. You must pick the proper resolution and TV color space first, because these settings determine available color controls. Once done, make sure HDR and color depth reflect your TV capabilities before moving into advanced calibration. Now you perform the detailed calibration steps. Start the HDR calibration tool, follow the on-screen patterns slowly so you can see clipping or washed-out highlights. Next, set color depth to the highest bit depth your TV supports. 10 or 12-bit reduces banding. Then choose the color space. Auto is safe, but PC RGB or standard may correct oversaturated or clipped colors on some displays. If you notice crushing or clipping, back off depth or change color space and test with real content. Finish by saving your settings and testing with both HDR and SDR content so you can compare results. Once done, restart the console and your TV to ensure new modes initialize properly. Temporary glitches often resolve after a reboot. If colors still look incorrect, toggle HDR on the Xbox off and on, or reset your TV's picture profile to defaults and recalibrate. This fixes mismatched metadata or custom TV filters. If problems persist, try a different HDMI port or cable to rule out hardware limitations.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.